What is your name?
My name is Alex.
Where are you from?
I'm from New York.
How old are you?
I'm 24 years old.
What do you do?
Software engineer.
What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
Do you have any siblings?
I have one brother and one sister.
What are your hobbies?
I enjoy reading, cooking, and hiking.
What's your favorite food?
My favorite food is pizza.
Do you like traveling?
I love traveling. I enjoy exploring new places.
Where did you go on your last vacation?
I went to Paris on my last vacation.
What's your favorite book?
My favorite book is novel.
Do you like watching movies?
Yes, I love watching movies.
What's your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is Inception.
Do you play any sports?
I play basketball and tennis.
What's your favorite sport to watch?
My favorite sport to watch is soccer.
Do you have any pets?
I have a dog.
What's your favorite season?
My favorite season is spring.
Do you prefer tea or coffee?
I prefer coffee.
What time do you usually wake up?
I usually wake up at 7 a.m.
What do you usually have for breakfast?
I usually have eggs and toast for breakfast.
What's your favorite subject in school?
My favorite subject is history.
Do you like cooking?
I enjoy cooking, especially pasta dishes.
What's your dream job?
I just want to be writer.
Do you play any musical instruments?
Yes, I play the guitar.
What's your favorite holiday?
My favorite holiday is Christmas.
Do you prefer reading books or watching TV?
I prefer reading books.
What's your favorite dessert?
My favorite dessert is chocolate cake.
Are you a morning person or a night owl?
I'm a night owl.
What's your favorite type of music?
My favorite type of music is rock.
Do you like spending time outdoors?
Yes, I love spending time outdoors.
What's your favorite app on your phone?
My favorite app is Instagram.
Do you enjoy shopping? Yes.
I enjoy shopping, especially for clothes.
What's your favorite TV show? My favorite TV show is Stranger Things. What do you like to do on weekends?
I like to relax.
Do you speak any other languages?
Yes, I speak Spanish.
What's your favorite animal?
My favorite animal is the dolphin.
Do you prefer the beach or the mountains?
I prefer the beach.
What's your favorite ice cream flavor?
My favorite ice cream flavor is vanilla.
What's your favorite way to relax?
My favorite way to relax is by reading a book or watching a movie.
Do you enjoy working out?
I enjoy working out, especially running and yoga.
Watch out. Go on back, baby. All right.